Trade recap. Learned some source today from one of my boys who's a good trader. So, we used the 4 hour range, which we are bullish on. Obviously 10:30. We've just had CPI. So, or PPI, that's fucked. So anyways, we have our top of our range here, bottom of our range here. We were in discount, so we're looking for longs. We then get Asian lows swept here, plus all this liquidity swept, and then this little bottom here. So we're obviously looking for longs, but on the 15-minute we are still bearish in structure, so we need a 15-minute bullish break before we can be bullish. So that's why. And then obviously, if we didn't have news, we would have been bearish off of this. Hold on. Oh, fucking hell. How did I copy the last ones? I'll figure it out later. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, no. Whoops. Yeah, obviously we've had the change of character bullish on ES now, so we can look for longs, but it's too late. I'm going to sleep. It's New York now, and we had CPI, but so we were bearish, bottom of the range, we get the sweep, so we're instantly looking for longs, but because we're still bullish on the, bearish on the 15, we want to break a structure before we actually take any longs, like we want it to be bullish character, but it ain't. So, we can take a short-term swing, like, not swing, short-term trade, either on the 1 minute, just because it's such a fatty sweep, because here we get all the fucking absorption, all the good shit, but then no retracement from there. Like, yes, it comes into this 5 minute plus this 15 order block and taps it, but then it's still not bullish, so it's not very good. And if you had stops below the 15, you'd be instantly stopped out, so that's why you gotta have it below the lows. And then some shit like this would actually bump, but there's probably a better order block up here. Oh yeah, that's fat. Let's see how this goes. It's kind of a swing because it's New York, but I want to see. But, so we'd be looking for short, like a scalp, and we get only a 5 minute break later, like here on this 640 candle, which from there's no real retracement, and then we get up and we've filled this imbalance fully. We've hit the order block here, so then we turn bearish from that, obviously. Then eventually, so because we're bearish, we probably should be looking for continuation bearish from this 15 minute here. definitely, because we haven't broken bullish yet, so. So as soon as we get the break bearish, we can low-key just be looking for fair value gap or order block entries. Which, as you can see, fucking gets deuced real clean, or just fair value gap. And we're short here because we're in discount, but we've swept bottoms, but we're still bearish structure. So, and then after we get the respect of the bearish 15, it's like we bearish. So yeah, obviously now we're breaking bullish. That is lovely to see. Oh yeah, that's that.